Morning all. So today I'm going to have a walk around my local wildlife park. Well, it's not wildlife park, it's more of a country park. On the outskirts of Billingham. It's about 2 degrees. It's not exactly warm, but the views you're getting are quite nice. I'll show you them in a second when I get down this hill. It's not exactly warm, but it's all fun. I'm going to be doing a few videos on basically photography. Just getting out and about with your camera is the first step to learning about it. So, all fun and games. It doesn't matter what type of camera you've got. Bridge camera, little thing, doesn't matter. Get yourself out with it, get some photos taken. It's all about enjoying yourself and getting yourself out. Right, see if I can work out how to turn this camera around. And this is a little brook, Bobbling Brook. It's quite nice. It is. It's quite nice. It's nice out the back of here. So I'm back. And there ain't a lot about, but I didn't think there would be. So what the video is going to be about. Basically, trying to get people walking towards the sun. Excuse me, squinting. Basically, I'm going to try and help, not teach, help people get out of auto with a bit of knowledge and a bit of perseverance from yourselves. We'll get you out of auto and we'll get you taking some stunning photos. Things that you're going to need: a bit of patience, a bit of understanding how to use your camera. So pick it up, stick it in manual, find out where your buttons are, what you need to change, how you can change stuff. 3 things you're going to need to know how to change is your ISO, which will be a button for somewhere. And on different cameras and different makes of cameras, it's different. So ISO, shutter speed, and f-stop are the 3 things you're going to change when taking a photo. Changing one of these things alone can have a dramatic effect on what the camera takes. So my first bit of advice: only ever change one thing at a time. Take one thing, take a photo. Take one thing, take a photo. Or sorry, change one thing, take a photo. Might sound a little strange, oh well, if I change this, change that, you know what I mean? But as you get to know your camera more, and the fact that you're out more with the camera, you'll get to know more. You'll get to be able to go out somewhere, I don't know, taking star trails, go out and go, well, I usually start from this, I usually start from that, and this is what I come out with. Just a report that there's Waxwings. I think it's Waxwings. Like 10 seconds walk from my house. So I'm going to head back to the car and let's go and have a play, see if we can find some Waxwings. I'll continue this later. Right guys, so here we are, nice little setting, camera set up. Yeah, and all I'm going to do basically is run you what I do for this. So let's have a look at the settings. So at the moment I'm 1/25, ISO is 100, and my f-stop's 16, and that's hoping what I'm going to capture. So what I'm going to do is take a photo and let's have a look at it. Yeah, it looks alright. How many stops we go? 1, 2, 3 stops low, F14 now. So by the time I've messed around with that in Lightroom, unfortunately I am a Lightroom user. I mean, I'm just going to stand here for a bit, because if you can see, we're just starting to get that cloud coming in. So I'm just going to hang around here for a little bit, show you a bit of the scenery. It's quite nice. Apart from that way, you turn around and that's what you're getting cloud wise. I might even do one shooting that way, get some of the cloud definition in, but we'll see.